Good evening, everybody on Facebook Live. It's Shane Solomon coming to you live this evening from the wonderful Hobby Mounts here in Cornwall. As always, a pleasure to see you on the live. I'm just going to do a quick refresh of my phone to see who's jumping on the live. I know that it's always a busy one to find out who is going to be the winner of this month's competition, or last month's competition, should I say, of the £4,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts and the online drone course with our friends at the UAV Academy. It's very exciting times. I'm going to go through the runners-up, and of course this week it's the reveal of the winners of the runners-up prize, which is the first time you get to win £250 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. Now, I can see 120 of you jumping on the live straight away. Good evening to everyone. Alex Anderson, good evening to you. Good evening to John Goodman. Good evening to Mr. Paul Gardner, one of the gaffers here at Hobby Mounts. Now, before I get into tell you who is the winner of this month's competition to win the £4,000 to spend, I've got to tell you about our excitement here with Hobby Mounts because of the 16 weeks, fabulous 16 weeks of these competitions that you guys love so much. It's been decided that Hobby Mounts is going to team up with the wonderful people at Cornish Hot Tubs to do another competition totally unrelated to drones, and that is to win a hot tub, obviously. And you can then go over to the Hobby Mounts page, the website, which the address we'll make sure we post in here or on the status. It's just hobbymounts.co.uk/shop/win a hot tub. It's just £12 a ticket. There is only those 777 tickets. You can buy as many tickets as you wish. And what a prize. That does include delivery anywhere in the UK mainland as well. Terms and conditions apply. Things like making sure it's easy access, making sure you've done the kind of concrete base, and making sure you've got an electricity point. It's worth £7,500, by the way. So there you go. Just a little bit of insider information. If you want to find out how to enter that, head over to the website afterwards. Right, so let's have a look at you now. We've got lots of people jumping on the live. It's great to see so many of you. 204. Hope you're doing well. Last month we broke the 300 barrier, so let's see if we can do that again. Now, just to remind you, last month's competition question was, which of these is the biggest drone? And of course, your options were Rise Tello, the DJI Spark, and DJI Inspire 2. And the correct answer was the DJI Inspire 2. So congratulations to every single one of you who got that correct. And of course, we have some runners-up to win the £250 to spend here at hobbymounts.co.uk. The runners-up are Ron Bainbridge from Andover, and we've got George Stowe from Wadebridge. So congratulations to the both of you. You're both winners there. And Paul or Beth will be in touch with you to find out how you get to spend and redeem your £250 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. So we're climbing up here now. Mark Williams has joined us on the live. Drop a comment, share it, like it, love it. It's great to see you. Don't forget, we've got loads of things here at Hobby Mounts for you to buy. So if you've not been lucky with the competition tonight, you can always head over to the website and treat yourself there. Right, I have the winner here. Someone is going to be getting a phone call in the next 60 seconds or so. I will be revealing the winner. But before I do, just to remind you that the competition for next month is going to go live tomorrow on the Hobby Mounts Facebook page to win again the same prize, £4,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts, plus the online course, the PFCO course with our friends at the UAV Academy. But if you want to get your competition fixed before then, straight after this live, you can head over to the Hobby Mounts website /shop/win a hot tub and win just that. Hopefully you could be in with a chance for a £12 stake. You can buy as many tickets as you like to obviously increase your odds of winning, but there's only 777 tickets available, or there were. They've already started flying out, so that could be interesting for you to check out. Right, this is it then, with 249 of you watching on the live. Let's find out who the winner is of last month's competition. Oh, I always love this bit. I'm just thinking, is it you? I'm going to be ringing. This is it. You're all standing by your phones now. I've got my phone. Let's get it on speakerphone. 9 for an outside line. Let's have a look at the number here. Oh, it's not in Cornwall. Is your phone going to ring? Here we go. Good evening to everyone. Drop a comment, I'll give you a shout out. Do they answer? This is the question.
Hello?
Oh, good evening. Is that Richard?
It is.
Hi, Richard. It's Shane at Hobby Mounts. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you, buddy?
On top of the world, thank you. Looking down on creation, just like you're going to be when I tell you that you are the winner of last month's competition.
You're joking.
No, I really am not.
Joking.
What do you think about that?
Are you joking?
No, not at all. If you go on Facebook Live, you'll see me talking to you on the phone and letting you know from Birmingham.
Oh my God, I just put Facebook on and my brother turned up. So I was talking to my brother, I had it in the corner.
Yeah.
So let me bring up Facebook now. This is fantastic. This is so amazing.
So you've won £4,000 to spend at Hobby Mounts. Any ideas what you've got in your shopping list at the moment?
I have no idea. Maybe the Maverick Pro 2. I need to come down and see you guys. I know you guys give fantastic advice across drones and all the electrical equipment that you guys supply. So it'd be great to come down and see you.
Well, we always welcome anyone from Birmingham to Cornwall, so don't worry about that, Richard.
Oh, that's absolutely fantastic. I can't believe it. You're telling me, John, this is the best thing that's happened to me.
It's pretty cool. And don't forget, you've got the online course as well with our friends at UAV Academy. I don't know if you've already got a license, have you?
No, I haven't.
Well,
No.
there you go. You've got the option there to obviously use that as well.
Wow. So that's why I actually won £4,000 worth of equipment.
Absolutely. So you can go shopping mad. You can go on the website right now and spend £4,000 worth on the Hobby Mounts website. But Paul will give you a call outside of the live to explain how you go about that. But yes, that's exactly what you've won, my friend. So well done.
That's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much.
I've got to ask, Richard, was it the first time you've played the competition or?
No, I have a friend who came down and bought some stuff off you from the Midlands area, and he told me about it, and I thought, that sounds absolutely fantastic. So I was like, I applied last month, I paid for some tickets, you know,
Yeah.
and it was coming up, and I got an email, and it said, you know, you've got 24 hours to go before, we announce the live, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a go again, at the last, yesterday.
You got.
I bought the ticket, and I just can't believe I've won.
Well, you certainly have. And like I said, if you go on the Hobby Mounts Facebook page, you'll be able to watch this back and see that it was you that I phoned. And Paul will give you a call to explain how you redeem that. And just also let you know, if you feel that your luck is on the turn, we've released another competition as well with the friends for winning a hot tub. So if you fancy a hot tub, perhaps you might want to enter that one as well. But for now, I'm going to leave it with you, Richard, and congratulations.
That's fantastic. Thank you again.
You are most welcome, Richard. I'll speak to you very soon. Take care, my friend.
Okay, cheers.
Well done. Thank you. Bye-bye. Well, Richard's over the moon, isn't he? From Birmingham. So there we are. Someone from Birmingham. I think the first time I realised someone from Birmingham's won. So there you are, people. There you have it. That is yet another fantastic competition here from hobbymounts.co.uk to win £4,000 to spend here at our wonderful store. Enter for next month, tomorrow, on the website. The UAV course as well is there. So why not have a go? And in the meantime, if you want to get your fix of competition tonight, the place to head is the Hobby Mounts website /shop/win a hot tub. The link will be on here somewhere in the status, in the edit, in the comments, as a pin post somewhere. But well done to every single one of you, the runners up, the people who took part. Don't forget, in with a chance tomorrow, log on to the website. Cheers for now.